Our next exercise, number 3, is the rollover. And I like to teach rollover first with beginners with extra breathing pattern and then speed it up. So we're going to go back to the fundamental, which is we were peeling the spine from the top and rolling down from the bottom. Now we're going to peel the spine off the mat from the bottom and roll down from the top. But the principle is still the same of keeping that highway line and the spine aligned in the center of your mat. So take the feet for now, hip width apart. Press the arms down at your sides and make a triangle. And we're going to take a breath in. On the exhale, really scoop the abs and tilt your pubic bone to begin. And exhaling, we roll the spine up to a bridge. Inhale at the top, feel that marionette string pulling out the crown. Exhale, close the ribs and roll down. In breath to relax. Exhale, repeat, tilt the pubic bone, peel off. You'll feel a lot of work in the back of the hips and the legs. Breathe in at the top and come down one vertebra at a time as you exhale down. So that's how I teach a real beginner to articulate the spine. Then we're going to change the breathing pattern. Let's bring the feet together now. And this time we're going to inhale as we roll up and exhale as we roll down. So take a breath in and roll the hips up. And exhale, roll back down. So it's much quicker. Inhale, squeezing the legs together, roll up. And exhale, roll back down. So that's the principle of the roll over. What's nice when your arms are down by your sides is you have extra weight distribution onto your arms so that all the weight doesn't go on your neck. Now, classic mat work, we have these handles and we really hold onto them and pull away from them. So there will be some weight on my upper body and my arms in this position as well. So we have either this position or this position for roll over. So we're going to start with our legs at 90. This is back to the beginner breathing. We're going to inhale before we begin. Exhale and lift the pelvis to roll the legs overhead. Open the legs as you inhale, flex those feet. Exhale, vertebra by vertebra, all the way down. If you're able, the legs go past 90 degrees. You point the feet and bring the legs together away from you. In breath, exhale, over. Open the legs hip width, flex the feet, exhale, rolling down and point the feet. Inhale, one more. Exhale, over, open, flex, exhale, down. And we're going to reverse it. So legs stay open, point the toes. Inhale, exhale, over, together, flex. Exhale to roll down and circle away on the in-breath. Pointed feet over, in-breath, together. Exhale, roll down. And one more with this slow breathing in-breath. Exhale, over, together, flex, and exhale, roll down. Now this time, point your toes, lower your legs all the way to the floor. We're going to go into the same exercise now with the classic breathing. So we need to go from laying on the mat on an inhale all the way to the rollover position. This is challenging because even though we're inhaling, we need to be able to engage the abdominals and the glutes and press that low back towards the mat. So exhale all your air out. This time legs pressed together. Inhale, lift and over, open. Exhale, flex, roll down. Circle those legs. Inhale, over, open, flex, exhale, down. Circle the legs. One more. Together, over, open, exhale, down. Keep the legs open. In breath, open legs together. Flex, exhale, imprint down. Inhale, overhead, together, flex, exhale, roll down, one more, inhale, overhead, together, flex, exhale, roll down, lower the legs all the way to the mat, and relax. Good.